Good evening, everybody. It's Ricardo Villanueva here at Garland Shelton Nissan. I wanted to show you some of the features on the Pathfinder, Rogue, and even on the Murano on the liftgate. One of the coolest things, obviously, you can open this thing basically manually. It's actually by, see if I can get my hand right here, pushing the button here. This thing will open up. But also, of course, you can push it back. You also have on your remote or your fob, you have this button right here that you hold for a couple of seconds, and then the liftgate will lift up. One of the things too, the coolest thing about this liftgate on the Nissan brand is also you can open this thing all the way up. But some of you that like to get the car into the garage, you can actually adjust the height on the liftgate. So basically, you bring the liftgate to the height that you want it, and you go right here and hold this button, and you will hear a couple of beeps. That means that you can set it here. So the next time next time you open this, it will only open to that same height. And if you want it just to obviously, you can send it back to this height that originally comes. You can actually just go here and push that same button and set it back. You want it. Anyway, there's a lot of other features I'd like to show you, but like I always say, because we're trying to make these videos as short as we can so we can try to send them in. That's why we do them this way, but there's a lot of other features. Please give me a call. This is Ricardo Villanueva here at Garland Shelton Nissan, 254-760-4948. Thank you.